Shabbat Shalom. The other day I had one of those rabbinic days. I officiated at the funeral of a woman who lived to be 106. And from there I rushed to a bris of a couple, a mother and father I've known since they were children. I had officiated her bat mitzvah. I had two separate meetings with couples who were approaching their wedding and met with a family about to celebrate a bar mitzvah. It's one of those perfect days, from life to a long life, to those celebrating the sacred moments in between. But then there are the other days, like earlier in the week when I spoke to a father, former congregant whose son passed away at the age of 31 after battling cancer for a couple years. I officiated his bar mitzvah and I remember it well. There are other difficult moments I shared with families in the last couple of days and weeks. Some people at certain moments want time to just move quickly, and other times, most of the time, we want to hold on to it. Because before we know, it just passes by. That little boy whose bris I attended the other day, before his parents know it, it's going to be a bar mitzvah, and then perhaps getting married. And then before he knows it, that boy, he's going to face midlife retirement. At that point in life, it goes by so quickly. We just want to hold on to time sometimes, to acknowledge how sacred it is, to be able to live it wholly and fully, to be in the moment. Shabbat is a day in which we're supposed to hold on to time and slow it down, to live it differently so that we can actually live each day differently, to find the sanctity in those moments that we can, to be able to appreciate each and every breath. On this Shabbat, I want you to think about all the blessings you have. What are those experiences of life? What are those relationships? What is it that you would want to hold on to and just slow down time and be there forever? May this be a Shabbat of blessing and holy time. Shabbat Shalom.